Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, so what I was showing you right there is the amazing kit from Creative Titsy Bitsy. This is the Weight Watchers June kit. She has a couple of different June kits, which are super cute. These go along with, if you want to, the Weight Watchers planner pages. She has those, and they come in four pages when you order those. Sorry. But you don't get the 20% off on custom scripts and personalized items. But other than that, everything else in the shop, you'll get 20% off. Yes, I do realize that I messed up on, I put Thursday when Wednesday should have been. I saw that after I finished filming and I fixed it later. So I'm using everything on the kit. I also want to mention it does have add-ons, so if you want extra sheets, you can purchase that as well separately. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye for now.